Hey guys, Chef Shelly here with K.I.S.S, Keep It Simple with Shelly, where I'm saving you time, money, and struggle in the kitchen by doing product reviews and recipe reviews. Vegan, right? Because, I'm new and we already know when you become a vegan, you be wanting to buy everything, and I'm trying to alleviate all the stress from that, okay? I don't want you to be broke, all right? Because I am a product junkie, so hey, why not? Today we're talking about Trader Joe's. It's my man, Joe. Trader Joe's Cheddar style sliced cashew cheese alternative. Alrighty. It says used for sandwiches, great for melting. First I was like, dang, I gotta make a grilled cheese sandwich. I'm not even hungry, right? But then I saw on the back that for cold or melted applications, meaning I can eat it cold. Alright? This ran me $3.99. And I was so happy to see that they're starting to carry more plant-based options, more non-dairy options, like stuff like this. So let's go ahead and get into it. All right. It has 9 slices, which is not bad. All right, let's see what it looks like. Size check. It has these little papers in between, just to separate it. Let's see. Breaks kind of easy. Smelling it. Ooh, it don't smell. Don't smell crazy. That's different. All right. I wasn't expecting that. It's like it went into my mouth and it just like disintegrated, right? I didn't see that one coming. Yeah, I definitely didn't expect that. So I'm gonna have to make grilled cheese sandwich. Let's check. I'll see that goldenness, hot, like I just made it, right? We're gonna do. How you should do a pull test. No, it's nothing. It's not. It didn't. Great for melting. It kind of melted. Y'all see the steam come out of here? Come on, son. And I know, look at it this side. We're going to try it. Maybe it's going to taste different. Yo, son. That's like my kids call it school free. This sandwich is back in it. Y'all know. That government cheese, baby. Oddly, okay. Not bad. It's not bad. Before I get into the pros and cons, I gotta be honest with y'all. I wanted to like this because I need some $3.99, some affordable Trader Joe's cheese in my life. Because spending $5, $6 on cheese is tough, and I need cheese in my life as a vegan. It is rough out here. I need my cheese. I need my dairy. This can work if you're just making grilled, melted-ish sandwiches. Rock with it. So pros and cons. Pros out the gate: the price, the quantity, the fact that it's decently tasty. We'll take that. And it doesn't stink. The other ones I've been tasting smell funny. Cons: don't eat it straight out the container. It is dusty. It's like it broke in my mouth. I'm not trying to drag it, but I'm dragging it. Yeah. And if you have nut allergies, obviously it's made with cashews, so nix that. But hey, keep it or leave it. I'm going to say it's a soft keep it. And I say soft because honestly, it gets a pass because of the price at $3.99. So if you're on a budget, I say go ahead and rock with it. You won't be too disappointed. So yeah. If you got anything else for me, put what you want me to try in the comments below. It could be a recipe, it could be a product. I got you all day. Hit me up on Instagram. Ding! At Shelly Flash. Slide into my DM, let me know. If you try anything too, please share it with me. Hit me up. Leave me a reaction video. I would love to see it so I can go out there and try some things too. All right, y'all. K.I.S.S, keep it simple with Shelly. Always saving you time, money, and struggle in the kitchen. Bye, y'all. Till next time.